Our cookies are finally ready to go in the oven. So we want to put them in at about 375 degrees, and we're going to have our cookies in there for about 5 to 6 minutes. So it's not going to take very long at all. First, we want to readjust our oven shelves so that the cookies are more towards the center of the oven. And we won't need a whole lot of space between the racks. We're only going to do 2 cookie sheets at a time. We're going to put in our house pieces and some of our tree pieces. And we're going to leave them in there for 5 to 6 minutes. And you really want to watch them because you don't want these to overcook. Because the cookie pieces are rather large, particularly those side pieces for the house, you have a little bit more leeway when cooking, but you want to keep an eye on them because based on how hot your oven runs, they could be done a smidge sooner or a little bit later, and you want to make sure that they don't get too crisp. So we're going to put them in for 5 to 6 minutes and then we'll come back.